This is the official guide on how to buy Rocket Bunny. If this is your first time getting into decentralized finance, the first thing you'll need is a wallet to hold all of your coins. MetaMask is by far the most popular option for most crypto traders. To get a MetaMask wallet, you need to go directly to MetaMask's website, metamask.io. Make sure this is the only place you try to download your wallet. When you're on the website, click Download for Chrome. This will add a Chrome extension for your MetaMask wallet. Follow the instructions on screen to create your own wallet, making a safe password and keeping your seed phrase safe. The second thing you'll need is to have an account on a centralized exchange, like Coinbase, which we are using for this demonstration. It's easy to make an account. You'll just need identity verification for tax purposes to begin buying your first crypto. Navigate to an area where you can purchase Ethereum. Think of Ethereum like the money for decentralized finance. Once you have your Ethereum in your account, your next step will be to move your Ethereum from your Coinbase account to your MetaMask wallet. One thing to note, if it's your first time doing this, try moving a small amount to ensure you're comfortable moving large amounts later. Also, when using Ethereum to swap for coins like Bunny, gas fees, which are basically like fees to use the network, can fluctuate greatly depending on how busy the network is. These fees will always be changing based on current market conditions, day of the week, or even the time of the day. The fees generally range anywhere from a few dollars to $50 at the time of recording this video. It's generally recommended to always have a balance large enough to cover these fees if you ever need to make a quick swap. To move your Ethereum from Coinbase to MetaMask, copy your MetaMask wallet address and paste it in the Send To area in your exchange. You can send an amount using an equivalent US dollar amount, or you can send measured in Ethereum. In this case, we are sending 0.2 Ethereum. When you press send, you'll have to wait a few minutes for your transaction to be processed. Once the Ethereum has been sent to your MetaMask wallet, you can now swap for Bunny. Go to rocketbunny.io, click on Get Bunny. This will send you to Uniswap, one of the largest marketplaces for decentralized currencies. Always ensure you're getting the correct token from the source, as sometimes bad actors can put up a similar looking coin for sale that's not the genuine product. Before you swap your Ethereum for Bunny, you're going to need to add Bunny token to your MetaMask. MetaMask won't recognize it initially, so you have to tell it Bunny will be in your wallet. Click the link, which will bring you to Etherscan. At the top, you'll see the Rocket Bunny address. Copy this address and go back to your MetaMask wallet. Simply click Add Token and paste the Rocket Bunny address into the Custom Token search. Connect your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap. Select Ethereum, and now you should see how much Ethereum you currently have in your wallet. You can always try a small amount your first time to make sure you're doing it right. Click the button to trade with V2. Next, click on the small gear icon at the top right of the swap window and change slippage to 5%. Because Bunny has a 4% transaction fee, you have to set the slippage to 5% to account for the 4% plus price movement in the market. The slippage may need to be set higher if the market for Bunny is moving faster. The last thing is you'll need to make sure you have enough Ethereum left to use for transaction fees mentioned earlier. If you run into any errors with the transaction fees, just try using less Ethereum in your swap to ensure you have enough for the trade. Once you press swap, all you have to do is confirm the transaction on MetaMask and wait. Notice that the gas fee for this transaction is 0.003976 Ethereum, or roughly $9 US. This is the amount of Ethereum that you'll need to have set aside to ensure that you can pay for the transaction fees on this swap. You'll notice a pending icon at the top. This will show while the transaction is being processed by the Ethereum network, and will usually take a few minutes. You can go back to your MetaMask at any point now and wait for the transaction to complete.